Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice door in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice door. The ice door is mounted inside the ice dispenser. It opens and closes the ice chute on demand, allowing ice to be dispensed. The most common reason to replace the ice door is if it won't open, preventing ice to be dispensed, or won't close tightly, causing ice to build up in the ice chute area. To get to the display control board, we need to remove this panel. We can start with taking out this single Phillips screw on the left side. We have slots here, one on each side, right under the panel, and using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to place it in, and we're going to push it up slightly and in, and then I'm going to pull this control panel out. All right, one side and the other side. Now we can pull out this control panel. Next, I'm going to disconnect this plug, press down on this locking tab, and remove the plug. We're going to unplug these two plugs. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Going to press down on this tab, spread it apart, and this one. Next, I'm going to release this water fountain tube. There's the two clips, one at the bottom and one on the top here. So let it stay down, out of the way. So we've got two Phillips screws to remove. They're on the top here. And I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Going to press on this tab here on the right, pull out the assembly, and next this one on the left, and we're going to slide out the ice door assembly. All right, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is the ice door assembly. We need to remove this ice door. I'm going to start with taking out the funnel, this plastic L-shaped clip. We need to push down on the funnel and pull slightly bracket out. So now we can slide the funnel out, put it aside. Using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to insert it right here, and we're going to pull this ice door out of this side hinge. Don't get too excited to not break the bracket. So then obviously the second hinge comes out by itself. This is the old ice door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So there we are, guys. This is our bracket, and this is our new ice door. And this is a little bit tricky what we're going to do next. So this side hinge goes into this opening. And this hinge goes here under, from underneath into this hinge opening. And also we need to manage that spring. We need to wind this in, and hinge goes in first. The spring goes right in there. And now we need to install this side hinge. Goes underneath. And then comes this flathead screwdriver. All right, so I'm gonna bring in the funnel and slide it in, and first this side goes into this opening. I'm gonna turn it and lock it, and then this side we're gonna slide down and pull slightly this bracket, side bracket, out. And we're going to place this hook in the opening. Now we're going to install the ice door assembly into the dispenser here. Bring it in and make sure the harness is on the top and push it in. The clips on the side should lock. Align the holes, and I'm going to, using a Phillips screwdriver, and secure that ice door assembly with a couple of Phillips screws. Next, I'm going to clip on this water dispenser line. There's one tab here, and there's one at the bottom. And our next step would be connecting the two plugs. I'm going to place it in the holder on the top here. And we're going to plug it in. Don't worry about mixing them out because you can't. Next, we're going to install the control panel. I'm going to plug this in. Make sure it clicks. And next, I'm going to bring the top in, and I'm going to press it in on the top. And at the same time press in the bottom portion. Now I'm going to secure everything with the Phillips screw. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.